Welcome to this guided meditation, which is designed for creative minds working together. It's a space to let go of personal ego and tap into a shared sense of purpose and collaboration. To begin, find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Get into a comfortable position, either seated upright or lying down. Slowly and gently close your eyes. Let's begin to connect with the breath. Take slow, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you breathe in, feel the energy of creativity. And as you exhale, let go of tension, judgment, or the need to be right. Take 3 more sets of deep breaths with these intentions, breathing in creativity and breathing out tension, judgment, or the need to be right. Begin to breathe normally now. Let's scan the whole body now, from head to toe. As I name each area, gently soften and release any tension that it holds. Relax the top of your head, your forehead, and the space between your eyebrows. Relax your eyes, eyelids, and the corners of your eyes. Relax your cheekbones, the muscles around your mouth, and your lips. Relax your jaw, your neck, and your shoulders. Relax your upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, and fingers. Relax your chest and upper back. Relax your rib cage and middle back. Relax your abdomen and lower back. Relax your hips, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet, and toes. Feel how relaxed your body is as you return your focus on your breath, breathing as you normally do, just with more awareness of it. Your breathing is the only thing happening in this present moment. As you continue focusing on your breath, you may find yourself distracted by thoughts that come up. Don't try to push them away if they come up. Simply observe their existence and allow them to float away like a cloud in the sky. Focusing on the breath helps you to remain in this present moment. You are here now, breathing now, nowhere else, doing nothing else in this moment. Let each breath bring you fully into this moment where collaboration begins and ego softens. Visualize your team as a flowing river. Each voice, each vision is a unique stream merging into something greater than the sum of its parts, comprised of unity, trust, and shared direction. Take a moment to see this river with its separate streams coming from different directions, but uniting in perfectly choreographed flow. The water from the river washes over bruised egos, softening and healing them in preparation for a new group vision embraced by all. To assist in this ego release, listen to each of the following affirmations, repeating each one silently to yourself or aloud. I trust in my team's collective wisdom. I release the need to be right. I speak with clarity and listen with humility. Collaboration fuels our creativity. We are co-creators, not competitors. As we near the end of this meditation, you find yourself releasing your focus on the river and returning your awareness to the space where you began. Begin to take several deep breaths. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and gently open your eyes. As you return to your team, carry this feeling of unity, openness, and trust with you. Let it guide your words, your ideas, and your presence. You are invited to use this meditation before brainstorming, meetings, or presentations, and encouraged to share it with teammates to expand the vision. Thank you for participating in this guided meditation. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Many blessings to you.